Welcome to Somerset. My name is Wednesday Comar and I'm the manager here. We're located at 2828 61st Street and I'm here to show you our 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom model. We're in an upstairs unit and we have a nice big view of our courtyard and of the pool, and so it's got just great views. But as you'll notice when you come in, when we walk through the door, you'll come straight into the living room, where you'll see that we have a nice big window that lets in lots of natural light into the unit. So during the day, you don't have to use as much electricity because you have so much natural light. And then directly over here, you have your very spacious kitchen area where you can put your dining room table or breakfast nook. And it leads all the way into our galley-style kitchen. Our galley-style kitchen has a nice spacious pantry. We have all major appliances and a nice window, so again, you have light, natural light. Down the hallway, we have our AC units right here, but there's a nice spacious coat closet where you can put all your storage stuff that you need. And directly over here to the left across the way is a linen closet, which a lot of apartments don't have, and I'm very pleased to say that we do offer that. Walks into our bathroom, very large and spacious bathroom. Has floor to ceiling tile in the bathroom. And we'll go straight over here into our first bedroom. And it is nice and spacious. Again, a large window for good natural lighting in here. Has a nice sized closet. This would be considered the secondary bedroom for this unit. And then we'll make our way over here to the master bedroom. And inside the master bedroom, it also has a nice spacious window that brings in a lot of natural light. And then it has a large walk-in closet. So again, all of our units here at Somerset, we have 2 pools located on our north and south campuses. We have 2 laundry rooms that are also located on north and south campuses. We're located at 2828 2828 61st Street. We'd love to have you come and take a tour or just come by and see our facility and see what you like about us. Thank you.